In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a niche on Etsy using 5 steps tailored for beginners. Let's dive right in and get you started on your Etsy journey. First, we'll kick things off by exploring Etsy trends. Open your browser and navigate to Etsy.com. Once you're there, click on the search bar and start typing out some general product ideas you might have in mind. As you begin typing, take notice of the autocomplete suggestions that pop up. These are valuable indicators of what's currently trending. Additionally, you can check out Etsy trend reports or simply scroll through the top categories to see what items are getting noticed. This will help you get a comprehensive view of the current marketplace landscape and pinpoint popular areas that might interest you. Now that you have a sense of what's trending, it's time to consider your personal touch. Open up a text editor or Google Docs and start listing your interests and skills. Think about the things you genuinely enjoy making or topics you know well. Write those down. Then highlight items on your list that could potentially be turned into sellable products. This step is all about aligning your passions with viable product opportunities, so take your time with it. Next, let's analyze the competition on Etsy to ensure there's room for you to enter the fray. Search for the potential products you noted earlier and pay close attention to several key indicators: the number of listings available, the reviews they've accumulated, and the price points they're being offered at. This research will help you identify niches where demand exists, but the field isn't oversaturated with sellers. You're looking for that sweet spot where your skills and interests can meet unmet demand. With a clearer picture of the competition, it's now crucial to define your target audience. Think about the age, location, hobbies, and budget of your potential buyers. Who exactly would find joy or utility in your products? By using examples of existing Etsy listings, you can see who is buying similar products and start to craft a picture of whom you're marketing to. This targeted approach will not only guide your product development, but also refine your marketing strategies. Lastly, it's time to put your niche to the test. Create 1 to 3 products within your chosen niche and list them on Etsy. Monitor how they perform by keeping an eye on metrics such as the number of views, favorites, and sales. Pay close attention to any feedback to further adjust your niche strategy. Refining your products and approach based on real-world performance is key in this phase. And there you have it, the essentials to finding your niche on Etsy. By following these steps, you'll be well positioned to carve out your own corner on this bustling platform. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been insightful as you begin your Etsy journey.